Simple complex compound, simple sentences. So in the simple sentence, what did we find out, or what are the characteristics of the simple sentence? At first we have to know what is the Bangla of the simple sentence. You're right. So we can say that general sentence. Its another name is general sentence. We can say that common sentence. Okay. So actually it has characteristics. So what are the characteristics of the simple sentences? Okay. So at first we have to know that in the simple sentence, for example, we can say that she sells a novel. You know that this is the simple sentence, but why? First one, we have to find out that this is the subject. Next one, this one the finite verb. So in this sentence, what is finite verb? Okay. Next one is object. Next one, we can increase this sentence. For example, to earn money. So in this sentence there are some items which is unknown to you. For example, I know Naim. Do you know what is the meaning of the know? Thank you. So in this sentence there are some unknown words or functions. For example, subject, you know. Okay, next one, finite verbs. You don't know what is the finite verb. In this sentence there is another item. There are two verbs. This one is non-finite and this one is finite. Okay, who can tell me that this is called finite, this is called non-finite? Actually, what are the things? First one, we can see that what is the Bangla of this sentence. Do you know what is the meaning of the novel? Do you like to read the story books? So story books is novel. Okay. Next one, earn. Do you know what is the meaning of the earn? Okay, you know that. Thank you. So that person, it may be any types of woman, she sells a novel, the story books. And next one, what? To earn money. So in this sentence, two verbs. One is here, another verb is there. Okay, if we forget these verbs, what is the meaning of this sentence? What is the Bangla of this sentence? So the sentence meaning is incomplete. Do you know what is the meaning of the complete or incomplete? No, I am saying that what is the meaning of the complete? You're right. So if the sentence gives the complete meaning, then we can say it is the sentence. Otherwise, it is not sentence. Naim, tell me in Bangla. If the sentence gives, do you know what is the meaning of the gives or give? What is the meaning of the give? Yes, if this sentence gives the complete meaning, then we can say it is the sentence or it is not a sentence. Okay, tell me in Bangla. You're right. We can say sentence. I am saying that if the sentence give the complete meaning, then we can say it is the sentence. Otherwise, it is not sentence. In this sentence, if we delete this word, these verbs, then this sentence does not give the meaning completely. So this sentence is incorrect, incomplete. Do you understand? You stand up. Okay. If I delete this verb, is it possible to give the meaning completely? Good. So tell me in Bangla, I want to learn from you or I want to listen from you. Okay, what do you understand? If we delete this word, okay, but why? Then tell me the Bangla. She, a novel, to earn money. The meaning is not complete. So for this reason, I am saying that this sentence is not correct if this verb is deleted. So this is finite verb. So it has the characteristics. It has the some nouns and behavior. It has the features. Okay. You know what is the meaning of the characteristics? You're right. Thank you. So the meaning is that characteristics, features. Do you know what is the features? Same. So what is the meaning of the features? You are right. So this is the plural form. Feature, singular, features is plural form. No, just plural form. Singular, you are a singular, but all of us are plural form. Do you understand? Singular, one marker. But if I have more markers, that is a plural form. Do you understand? So I am saying about that feature is the singular and features plural form, nothing else. You are feeling that finite verb has the features, this one. So this is the features, this is the characteristics, this is the form, this is the structure of the transitive verb. What? It will give us the complete meaning. I am saying that this verb can give us the complete meaning. Okay, sit down. Now tell me a sentence.
I am a student.
Okay, I am a student. So what is your aim? What is your future plan? Reading or watching movie? Watching movie. Okay, we are communicating. So this is the CLT method. In this way, if we convert, if you talk with other person, then you can learn many things. You can understand. For example, a foreigner came here. Do you know what is foreigner? Okay, this word meaning indicates you that the foreigner, he is not in our country's person, he is coming from the others country. Do you understand? So that is the foreign person. So if a foreign person came here and playing with the boys, little boys, do you know what is little boys? Okay, and they are very much excited, so happy, and they are giving this building. Do you know? There is a nameplate. USA person, they have give you a building. Do you know how the price? What is the price?
Building.
No, price. Price, not you're right. So the price, the costing. Do you know the costing and price is same? So how much the price of this building? In this moment, full of stone building. Do you know? This building is made full of stone, the pillars. So it is very much costly building and very strong. Okay, it can be survive if the earthquake. Do you know what is earthquake? No, is the building is vibrating. What will happen? You are right. So I am showing some attractive art, or I am acting. You can understand. So this is the communication, and in this way you can learn. So Falguni, so if your relation with very strong with the foreign peoples, you can get this type of, okay, and it is so much valuable. In the world, Bangladesh becomes the second position as the freelancer. They can communicate with the foreign people, but there are lots of at least 280 or more countries, and they cannot achieve these types of opportunity. Bangladesh can do it by speaking. This is the main purpose, our communication system, nothing else. If you have the ambition, you can also do it. After finishing your masters, what will you do? Are you praying, give me the government the job, or you will try yourself? Naim, after finishing your masters or doctorate degree, are you trying to get the job from the government? Government, give me the job. But government has these types of building they have given you. If you are interested to take the knowledge, you can go abroad. But you are sitting here, you have the internet, computer, you can connect with them and you can achieve 1 lakh, 2 lakh more than. You can give the job others students if you have the technique, knowledge. Okay? So it is the most important only for communication. I am talking with you, you can talk with me. I am sharing my demand, you can serve, I will pay. Do you know what is the pay? Monthly payment, salary. Do you understand? Okay, so Falguni, she is living that Lepara in the village, but she has the computer, internet connection and experience. What types of experience? Cooking experience. She can cook very well. She can explain many things and taking the video and upload, and foreign peoples are watching. Yes, this is the new thing. We don't know how to cook different types of items of dishes. Do you know what is dish? Yes, in this moment I am not saying about the satellite, that is the related to dish, but in this moment I am saying about the cooking. So it is different types of delicious. Do you know what is delicious dishes? You are right. So you are knowing many words. So you are the student. That is, I am satisfied. After long days you can communicate with me very comfortably, but some of you are not talking. Some of you are not talking. So you have to try. You have to try. Do you know what is the meaning of the try? Thank you. So you are the student like the my class. So you have achieved the ability. Do you know what is the ability? You are right. So your ability is referred to qualification. It is developing your qualification. Okay. So day by day it will be increased. Not in the classroom, out of the classroom you will try to speak. Then you will be the different student from the other college. They will say, yes, you are the student. Which college? You can speak in English. Wow, it's so much interesting. But after finishing the masters, doctorate, they cannot speak in English properly. There are lots of students, but not all. I am saying most of them. Do you know what is the meaning of the most of them? So you have to listen that what is the meaning, or what is the, I am saying some words and some students can say the Bangla, but I am not saying Bangla, but I can help. I can show her, yes, I am speaking English, you don't understand the speaking English or word meanings, but when nobody can say, I can say that time. But if in this moment she is saying or translating, so no need to say my position. So I don't need to say the Bangla. Do you understand? Do you know what is the feeling or feel? She can know the English. Naim? So we should inspire. Do you know what is the inspire? So she is more intelligent. So you have to talk with her. There are many word meanings, know her. So if you communicate with her, if we don't know any word meaning, you can ask her, yes, I don't understand this word meaning. Tell me what is the synonymous word or what is the meaning of this word. In this way, by this student or by her, you can also communicate with her. No problem. I am saying you are listening. Sometimes you can say that, or you can also, after finishing our class or after finishing 2 months or 3 months, I hope all of you can speak in English in the classroom. Okay, it will help to your writing, freehand writing. When you can speak in English in the classroom, you have the ability, the qualification. Yes, I can write, because I am using the simple languages, simple words. Okay, so it is very much helpful to develop your skill, and you can also communicate any types of person. At least you can say hi, hello, bye. Okay, next come to the point. First of all, we have find out that what is the finite verb and what is the qualification of the finite verb. So qualification, what is the meaning of the qualification? Ability, what is the meaning of the ability? You are right. So ability, qualification, these are the synonymous word. For example, I have the ability, so I can run, but a little boy 1 year or half 6 months, so is it possible to run? So this is the qualification. So qualification, quality, okay, these are the synonymous word. So the finite verb, it has the quality to complete the meaning. So this is, so what is the meaning of the quality? For example, if you have the qualification master's degree, you can get a job. or if you have the HSC intermediate. So if you have completed your HSC, you can get a job. So what is the meaning of the qualification? You're right. I am saying about this word. This is the qualification. Do you understand? So what is the meaning of the qualification? Loudly. Okay. So ability is also synonymous word. Next one. So finite verb has the qualification of complete meaning. Do you know what is the meaning of the complete meaning? For example, this is incomplete. Yes, in this moment this is complete. What is the meaning of the complete? For example, this is the glass and this is the water. Okay, the glass is what? Half water. But if the water is completed, what is the meaning of the complete? Do you understand? So the complete, its meaning is that this sentence gives us the complete meaning. Then we can say this is the finite verb. Otherwise it is not finite. This one is the non-finite because this verb does not give us the complete meaning. Do you like business? Teacher, doctor, engineer, doctor. Okay. Are you the student of the science?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So to be a doctor, no problem. It may be a general physician. Do you know what is habituated? You're right. So there are some word meanings you should write down. Every situation, environment. This is the environment, and the room is also full of nice environment. Outside very hot environment. At your home very free. Where is your father?
Malaysia.
At Malaysia. Or in Malaysia, or you can say that now he is at Malaysia in particular place. Malaysia is the big site. For this season, in we can use in. For example, from where you have come, you can say that I am from Bangladesh. Okay, or you can say I am coming from Bangladesh. So sometimes you can use from. Okay, where are you? I am in Bangladesh. I am in the classroom. So inside, in this moment you can use it, no problem. So although the question is very tough, you maybe know, although I am asking how much money your father is earning. Do you know? 35 to 50. Okay, but he is at the detach. Do you know what is detach? Far. You're right. So he is very far to Bangladesh or from you. But there are many students after finishing the SSC, they are earning 70,000 in Bangladesh. Do you believe? Do you know what is the meaning of the belief? What is the meaning? You believe? They believe? We believe? Okay. So in this way, daily we should practice more and more speaking. Okay. Then it is very much flexible. Our speech, our tongue. Do you know what is tongue? So this is the part of our vocal system. Do you know vocal system? What is this? Yes, this is the vocal system. This is the nasal cavity. You know, nose. So if the cave, CAV, cave. Do you know what is cave? Okay, the lion is living in the cave, in the hill. You're right. So I am saying that cave. So this is the nose, and inside the place that is called nasal cavity. This is the cave, and for this reason it is saying cavity. For example, knowledge. So the sound is coming from the nose. That is nasal sound. Okay, sit down. What is your name? Tuhin, you stand up. Where are you? Are you in the classroom or out of the classroom? Actually, your body is here, but your mind is out of the classroom. Okay, what is your favorite? Football is not a person. This is the hobby. You can say your favorite pastime activities. Do you know what is pastime? Entertainment. When the time is off time. For example, the class is stopped. So you feel, yes, I should go to the field and I will play. So past time, off time. Do you know what is the? Yes, I am saying about that. So I am saying the English to English, they can understand. They are women and you are the boy. So your status in the Facebook is so high. Yes, my friend list is very strong, very large. And in practical life, you should be studying. You should study, okay? If you study, if you read, if you practice, you can be also a good student. In your practical life, do you know what is practical life? Real life? Real life? You are right. So in the practical life, in the present life, you will be a happy person, okay? Maybe the sound has gone.